Artists often make animals the subjects of their creative efforts, and this chapter shows off a few examples. However, no one said that the animals needed to be representative. Folsom's Brood. The next piece of art is entitled Brood, and the artist is Robert Brady. This work is indeed located in Folsom, about 109 miles northeast of San Francisco, at Turnpike and Hopfield Drives. Yet you don't need to travel there, at least right now, since the next two photos give you a decent view of what I saw. Interestingly, this creature looks a little like a cricket and is made of bronze or copper with a somewhat green patina. The artwork is about 4 feet long and 2 feet high, hence this is not an insect I'd like to tangle with. Horses de Palladio. A short walk around a Folsom shopping center, Palladio at Broadstone, allowed us to see the Horses de Palladio, and this horsey artwork was created by J. Randall Smith. The location is the intersection of Via Sol and Via Serena, and you can enjoy the artistic view by means of the following 3 photos. Timeless Joy, Napa. The next artwork in Napa, about 48 miles northeast of San Francisco, is called Timeless Joy, and it was created by someone who calls herself L.T. Mustard Seed, a Los Angeles sculptor. As a youngster, she started building 3D airplanes and forts from her grandfather's scrap pile, though she has moved way beyond that. Hence, please enjoy Mustard Seed's stylized and way larger-than-life hummingbird by means of the following 2 photos.